Tornado emergency for Northwest Torrance, Southeast Sandoval, and much of Bernalillo and Santa Fe counties. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a tornado warning for western San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, northeastern Valencia County in central New Mexico, southeastern Sandoval County in north-central New Mexico, central Santa Fe County in north-central New Mexico, Bernalillo County in central New Mexico, northwestern Torrance County in central New Mexico, until 11:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over southeastern Santa Fe, moving southwest at 70 miles per hour. The tornado is gradually strengthening as it approaches Albuquerque. Widespread property damage reported in Santa Fe. Tornado emergency for northwest Torrance, southeast Sandoval, and much of Bernalillo and Santa Fe counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, broadcast media confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Albuquerque, Rio Rancho, Santa Fe, Bernalillo, Moriarty, Corrales, Los Ranchos de Albuquerque, El Dorado of Santa Fe, Edgewood, Santo Domingo Pueblo, Tijeras, Mariposa, San Felipe Pueblo, Vista Hills, Chilili, Santa Ana Pueblo, Escobosa, North Valley, Enchanted Hills and Cabazon. To repeat,